Different types of plant grows naturally. They are referred to as natural vegetation. And forest refers to an extensive means large area of land covered mostly with trees. And in forest different type of plants, different type of trees there, like herb, shrubs, climber, creepers and tree. And forests are of four types. The first type is tropical evergreen forest. Tropicals means require hot and humid climate, and evergreen forest the name of the forest. These forests are well grown in the areas near the equator. Near the equator means the center line between the earth and close to the tropics. Tropics means the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Mainly they are found in Amazon basin, Vietnam and Indonesia country. And next type is tropical deciduous forest. The tropical evergreen forest is known as selvas. Selvas means the lungs of the earth. And tropical deciduous forest known as monsoon forest. Monsoon means when heavy rainfall. During this period, heavy rainfall occur. So tropical deciduous forest is known as monsoon forest, and these forests are affected by the seasonal contrast of moisture and the sun heat. These are also called monsoon forest because these forests require hot climate and abundant rainfall throughout the year. The tropical deciduous forest found in northern Australia, Central America and the large portion of our India. These forests have a great economic value because the timber means the wood of these trees is used for making furniture and other equipment also. These forests are also called the monsoon forest because the trees of these forests shed their leaves in the dry season. These forests have a thick undergrowth of small trees and shrubs. Shrubs means woody plants but smaller than trees. The trees are less dense and medium of height. And the example of timber that found in the tropical deciduous forest is sandal, shisham, palm, teak and sal are some valuable hardwood trees found in the tropical deciduous forest. They are also dense thickest of bamboos. Mangrove trees are found in the swamps of deltatic regions. The wood from these forests are very useful for making furniture and also transport and construction material. These forests are now being destroyed to meet the increasing land needs of the people. Same as the wildlife found in the tropical deciduous forest is the in these forest areas, the tropical and subtropical regions adapted themselves to the prevailing conditions. Okay, the prevailing conditions, most of them live on trees, and here found monkeys, bats, lizards, and flying squirrels in these forests.